Signex manufacturing was originally part of Pankratz Electric in the early 1980s. The electrical contractors were receiving a lot of requests for illuminated signage, and Ken saw an opportunity for a sign company. Signex manufacturing went full-time in 1988.
It's interesting looking back on those early years because the process was so different. It's hard to even imagine it now, but we did all our layouts by hand and hand-painted most of our signs. That's funny because nowadays the industry relies heavily on the newest technologies. In the beginning, we were also a very local business, mostly only servicing the Steinbach area. But at this point, we've sent signs to Alaska, New York, Los Angeles, and all over Canada. We've also won quite a few national awards over the years, which is great. Most people are surprised to hear that because our facility is still here in Steinbach. From the road, it doesn't even look that big, but we keep expanding further and further back, and most people don't see that.
We have 30,000 square feet of manufacturing and office space. We have a full fleet of service and installation vehicles. We're CSA and CORE certified. We have state-of-the-art equipment for all aspects, including welding, painting, printing, and CNC. We do everything in-house. It's really rewarding to see where we are now and remember our humble beginnings.
Everything we do is custom. Everything is unique to the project. So the first part of the process is developing your vision. What sort of sign have you been picturing? What sort of designs do you have to work with? The sign industry is a pretty niche industry, so there's usually a lot of discussion needed to get the project down on paper. A lot of signs need permits, engineering, and variances, but we'll walk you through it all and find the best materials and methods for you. Once it's all down on paper, it's off to manufacturing and then it heads out for installation.
We do everything from small vinyl applications to massive pylons. Whatever your brand, whatever you're building, we're willing to take it on. It really is all about you. You have a vision, you have a dream. We want the opportunity to make it a reality and exceed your expectations.